Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send money from your Zelle to your Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, you need your Zelle app and your Cash App app to do this. However, you cannot directly send money from your Zelle to Cash App, as Zelle is a service for sending money directly to bank accounts, while Cash App is a payment app that allows users to send money to other Cash App users or bank accounts. So, to send your money from Zelle to Cash App, you need to send from Zelle to your bank account and from your bank account to your Cash App. Use Zelle to send the funds to your own bank, and then once the funds are in your bank, you can simply transfer them to your Cash App using the Cash App's transfer feature. So alternatively, you can also use a debit card to fund your Cash App account. By following this way, you can simply send money from Zelle to Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.